Okay, the today's task is to input 50 numbers and we need to find out or we need to count that how many numbers are positive, how many numbers are negative, and how many times zero, neutral means zero, have been input by the programmer or by the computer operator into the system. Okay, now to attempt this task, first I shall attempt the code and try my skills on Python. Okay, to input 50 numbers, it's a huge task. First, I shall check for 5 different digits. So according to requirements, I must have a variable number is equals to int data type 0. Then positive is equals to int initial value 0. Then negative is equals to int bracket open 0, and then finally neutral is equals to int bracket open and then 0. These four variables are used for input of data and counting of positive, negative, and neutral numbers separately. The variable number with data type integer and initial value 0 will be used to store the value that is input by the computer operator. The variable positive will be used to count the values of positive numbers which are input into the system, vice versa with negative and neutral. Negative variable will be used to count the total number of negatives. Neutral will be used to count total neutrals input into the system. Okay, before moving forward, I would like to explain one more thing that if you want to count anything, whether it is in ascending order or in descending order. For that purpose, the step in the programming languages will be variable is equals to variable plus 1 or plus 2 or plus 3 or plus 4, whatever it is. It is used for ascending order. And if you are counting in descending order, so it will be name of variable, whatever it is equals to variable minus 1. Means it is used for descending order. So if you want to count whether in ascending or descending order, this is the procedure. Variable is equals to variable plus 1, variable is equals to variable minus 1, variable is equals to variable plus 1 will be used for ascending order counting, and variable is equals to variable minus 1 is used for descending order counting. Descending order of counting means from greatest number to smallest number. This is the correct pattern of counting in programming languages with the help of a variable. Okay, now to input more than two numbers, I shall take the help of for loop. For loop is basically unconditional type of loop, and it is better choice in this program. The structure of for loop in Python is for count in range bracket open 1 comma. First, I am checking for the 5 numbers only, so I shall mark it 1 comma 6. 1 is the initial value and 6 is the final value. It means it will be for count is equals to 1 to 5. Actually, the structure of Python relies on one more value in for next loop for ascending order and one less value in descending order. That is the structure of for loop in Python. So for count in range 1 comma 6, I shall print a message on screen. Print enter any number inverted comma close bracket close, and then number is equals to int bracket open input bracket close and bracket close. Okay, now since these lines print enter any number will produce a prompt on the screen, and the second line number is equals to int input. It will ask for the value, and that value that will be input by the user will be stored in the variable number. Now I am going to find out whether the number is positive, negative, or neutral. In this scenario, I shall use the if statement. How? If number is greater than 0 means positive, positive is equals to positive plus 1. Then second condition that will be processed in the absence or in the rejection of first condition. If number is less than 0, then it will be negative is equals to negative plus 1. Now first two conditions have been processed, so there is no need of the third condition. It will be automatically decided that if first condition is for failed, s- second condition is failed, then automatically third condition is going to be passed. So I shall mark it as else neutral is equals to neutral plus 1. Then let's check whether my code is working properly or not. I shall print the strings, print total positive numbers are plus sign used for concatenation string, and it will be positive. Then print total negative numbers are str negative bracket close bracket close. Then in last print total neutral. Neutral means zeros. Neutral numbers are so now my program is complete. Logic has been designed. Now I would go for check whether my code is working properly or not. So first we need to save this code. Try to mark it as program 2. Press F5 to execute the program. Enter any number. Asking for a number. I input here 2. Again enter any number. I input here -7. Enter any number. I input here 6. Enter any number. I input here 7. Enter any number. I input here 0. 2 minus 7, 6, 7, 0. Three numbers are positive, one number is negative, and one number is neutral. Let me check whether my program is working correctly or not. You can see total positive numbers are 3, total negative numbers are 1, total numbers neutral numbers are 1. Let's check it another way. F5 -5 -6 -7 -5 -6 -8 -10 -3. Total positive numbers are 0, total negative numbers are 5, total neutral numbers are 0. It means my program is working correctly, right? So just change the final value of the code for count in range 1, 6. The requirement of the code is for 50 numbers, right? So I shall change the code 1 comma 62 1 comma 51. Since the structure of the Python relies in one more or one less value. Now this code is actually working for 50 values, and counting of positive numbers, negative numbers and neutral numbers separately will be done successfully. Now the next task is to convert this code into pseudocode. I do copy it, the whole code of this program, paste it here. Just few changes are required according to the rules of pseudocode. Declare number is equals to 0 as integer. Declare positive is equals to 0 as integer. It is not a rocket science to convert a programming language code into pseudocode. You just need to remember the rules. Negative is equals to 0 as integer. Then declare neutral is equals to 0 as integer. Now for counted range, that is the structure of Python. I do convert it into the pseudocode. So it will be for count is equals to 1 to 50. Then print enter any number, it will remain same. The input statement will work as input number. Then if number is greater than 0, then positive is equals to positive plus 1. Else if number is less than 0, then negative is equals to negative plus 1. And in last, else neutral is equals to neutral plus 1. Then condition if will be blocked here, and if next is the mandatory part of pseudocode, and then print. Plus positive, then print negative, and then in the last print neutral. Now finally pseudocode is also completed. I hope there will be no problem in attempting these kind of tasks.